Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody. Let's take a look again at the gold market as usual. So on the coming week we probably again will focus on the daily chart and intraday charts, because the large patterns and big picture that we have in the monthly and weekly, although it's also some interesting patterns are forming there, but since market has turned to downside retracement on the daily chart, these patterns probably should wait a bit aside, so for a while, until market will not continue upward action or will form something some great pattern maybe on the daily chart. Meantime, let's recall what we have talked on Friday. So on Friday we said that market has completed, or better to say on Thursday, so market has completed some intermediate resistance, an objective point, and large and reasonably it has turned down to some retracement. So as you can see, on the way up has been reached a monthly pivot resistance 1618 extension of this recent retracement. That's in fact was the butterfly on intraday charts that we have traded. Also, market has completed this minor 618 target of this large A, B, C bottom 618 target. So some retracement here is absolutely logical action. The major concern that we had on Friday was stand around the possible bullish grabber. So we said let's keep watching for this candle, because if market will form the bullish grabber here, that could lead to the immediate upward action, upward continuation here, because our next target is at 1255 area. But as soon as grabber has not been formed, currently we should abandon this theory, abandon this scenario, and be focused on another pattern, that is bearish engulfing. So you can see, as a reaction on this strong resistance, market has formed nicely looking bearish engulfing. This also has the spinning tops, so we can see this the same tops of these candles, very strong resistance. So usually when market forms the engulfing, it leads to some kind of the ABCD pattern on the intraday charts. That's what we will be watching for. So currently retracement should not be too significant, because market is not at the rebound in any time frame. And the retesting of these tops and maybe slightly lower levels will be normal retracement for current situation. It's also no significant targets has been hit. Only minor 618 extension. Since market indeed is bullish, it should not show too significant retracement here. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we have this ABCD pattern. So you can see upward action has been finalized. This butterfly, market turned down. Now it has tested first fifth support, 1286, shown upward action here. That probably could give us the ABCD pattern that we are watching for. This ABCD pattern suggests action to the 1213 area. We will focus first on the nearest target. So maybe market will show us a bit lower target, will take a bit lower targets, maybe 1618 extension will be formed. We do not know that. But the existence of the strong support area, confidence support, 1215, 1220 area, and existence of these previous tops makes us think that it's a rather strong level, and that's why we better will be focused first on the nearest destination. That's 1213 area. That's the pattern that we will be watching for on the coming week. So retracement down probably should continue. On the hourly chart, it's also some bearish signs. First of all, as you can see, market has broken this long-term upward channel. It has been broken down, and this border already has been retested. You can see market has broken and retested it, and logically downward action could continue. So it's also 618 resistance, by the way. It's 1235, 618 level of this most recent action. That is, guys, attempt to estimate the target by the DeMark method. So usually he calculates the far distance between the trend line and the market, and clone it and count it in the direction of the breakout, in the point of the breakout. The DeMark method suggests reaching 1209 area, 1210 approximately, slightly lower than on the daily, than on the Dinopoly level. But personally, guys, I prefer to rely on the DNAPOL extension, so Fib extensions. That's my primary method of estimating of the targets. So that being said, it seems that in the beginning of the next week, the downward retracement should continue, and we will be watching for its development. So most of all, we will be watching for that ABCD patient down in the area of the conference support and previous stops on the daily. As soon as this patient will be completed, we will see what to expect more and what to do next, depending on what price action market will show in this area.